Saviez-vous que vos anciennes fenêtres pouvaient devenir un isolant écologique? Vous l'ignorez peut-être, mais 95% du verre de vos fenêtres peut être recyclé. Alors, plutôt que de le jeter, pourquoi ne pas le réutiliser? Au Danemark, Saint-Gobain Isover a mis au point la méthode du verre à la laine. Le concept est simple, utilisez le verre de vos fenêtres pour en faire de la laine de verre éco-conçue. Et cela en 3 étapes, collecter, démanteler, transformer. Venez avec nous, on va voir comment ça se passe. Première étape, récupérer les anciennes fenêtres d'un chantier. Nous sommes ici à Copenhague, sur le chantier d'une entreprise danoise spécialisée dans la restauration, la rénovation, mais surtout le remplacement de fenêtres. Hi Rasmus, you're a project leader for Buens.
Yes.
So tell me, why did you enter into this partnership for windows recycling?
We have always have green ambitions and want to be in the forefront of the industry. And we want to make our mark in the sustainability agenda as a company. I want to make a difference and participate in projects that can make a difference in the industry.
And so what usually happens to windows on construction sites that are not recycled?
For example, they are getting downcycled as asphalt or as used as road markings. And some little times the windows can be taken and be used directly elsewhere. All windows can be recycled, the condition doesn't matter, but we have some paint environmental challenging when we are processing the sorting of the window, when we're taking the glass out of the window construction, and it makes it a little more expensive and harder to do.
Do you have any idea of how many windows have been recycled?
I think about 70 to 80% of our projects we are using this method.
Hi, Martin, you are an engineer specialized in sustainable buildings. Why is it important to develop upcycling in the construction field, which means transforming a product which is no longer needed into a superior one?
First of all, the building industry emits a great deal of greenhouse gases worldwide. Why it is necessary to develop these new, more sustainable solutions for developing products. We can put our climate in a more beneficial, more sustainable position in terms of resource scarcity, waste management and energy usage.
Yeah, why the methods developed by Saint-Gobain make it possible to produce sustainable insulation?
It's a more sustainable way of producing this because of the lower CO2 impact in the production phase. I think it's around 210 kilograms of CO2 that is saved per tons of recycled glass. Other than that, there are the benefits of using less virgin resources, or you can take out the whole extraction phase of a new product that saves our resource of the planet.
Maintenant que nous avons récupéré les fenêtres qui peuvent être recyclées, place à une étape primordiale, le démantelage, mais aussi le broyage des fenêtres et du verre. Pour ça de plus près, nous sommes dans une usine de traitement de déchets dans le Jutland qui reçoit entre 15 et 20 tonnes de fenêtres par jour. Ces fenêtres sont ensuite placées dans une machine qui retire leur cadre, puis le verre est broyé avant d'être livré à l'usine. Dernière étape, la transformation du verre en laine de verre. Et nous sommes ici à l'usine Saint-Gobain Isover à Vamdrup, l'une des usines de laine de verre les plus modernes au monde. Hi Jasper, so in this plant you managed to produce glass wool that contains up to 75% of recycled windows. How do you do that?
The glass, it is in bigger different fraction sizes. We actually then put it through a crushing process where we make it into a more uniform size. Then it's added into the batch. It is added then to the furnace. The furnace is the big melter where you melt a lot of glass for feeding the process of fiberizing, where the glass is put into fine fibers. The fibers is then caught in what we call the forming section and formed into the mat of insulation, which is then later on cured in a curing oven, and then we have the final product.
What are the characteristics of glass wool made of recycled windows? Is it different from a regular glass wool?
Well, from a quality point of view, a performance point of view, it's exactly the same. However, it is with a much lower footprint. We are saving a lot of energy, and we are actually also reducing the CO2 emission.
And how many windows do you need to make some glass wool?
A normal average Danish built house requires just below 2 tons of glass we receive.
Plutôt que de fabriquer, consommer et jeter, la méthode du verre à la laine est le parfait exemple du pouvoir vertueux de l'économie circulaire dans la construction. De sa conception à sa fin de vie, c'est ici tout le cycle de vie du bâtiment qui est mobilisé. Merci beaucoup de nous avoir suivis, à très bientôt.